Televidentenan, Bonochi, there is a travel trend that is growing, not only on this island, but around the world. The demand for it is only getting bigger. It is undeniable that many tourists of our beautiful island are turning to vacation rental companies such as Airbnb, Casiola, Vacations Aruba, VRBO, and others to book their accommodations. I ventured down to Eagle Beach to speak with some tourists to find out why vacation rentals have become their preferred choice of accommodations.
Vacation rentals are happening in every country, city, towns, big and small. But Aruba seems to be the ideal destination to offer vacation rentals due to how safe and accessible it is. Bottom line, flexibility is key for tourists now.
So for us, vacation rentals work here because the neighborhood we stay in is safe. We don't ever feel unsafe anywhere we are, so it makes it nice. And so, you know, if you're in a place that you feel comfortable, you get in a car, you get your Google map out, figure out where you're going to go. We've seen places on this island that we never see in the tourism books, and we've never felt unsafe, ever.
You know, I think it's really kind of exploded over the last, 3 years, and I think people they want that different experience. They want, everybody when they went on vacation, that's all they did was stay in a hotel, and now there's other options, and I think people are liking those options a lot more because of how they feel when they're there and how they can get around easier, and they can do their laundry if they want to, or they can cook a meal with their family if they want to, and it's not so structured, I guess.
This group of travelers from Delaware specifically told me that once they went with a vacation rental, they've never looked back.
We've rented vacation rentals all over the world, and it comes back to some people are just hotel people and they want that lobby bar, and some people don't. We just prefer, at home we grill out on our patio and things at home, and so this just feels more at home and relaxed if you're in a place that you can call home for a week.
Tourism has changed. The global pandemic has altered the way people travel.
I think the other thing is COVID kind of changed everybody's feelings about staying in hotels, and there are a lot of people that are like, it's just easier and safer to be with your group. That's what kind of started us down the path. We went to Colorado and stayed in a rental, and it was heavy COVID time, and we're like, okay, let's get out of town, let's go somewhere safe, be with our group.
Since this travel trend is on the up and up, a good thing the island has Vacation Rentals Professionals of Aruba, which is an association that represents the industry, but also they advocate for regulation and promote compliance. Let's learn more about them.
A comprehensive economic study impact was conducted on vacation rentals. Many things were looked at, from forecasts on the economy to recent travel trends. The results from the study show that vacation rentals are contributing significantly to the island's economic standings. The study translated a close to $480 million in total economic activity deriving from VRs. The demand for vacation rentals is not only there, but it is now the preferred choice by many travelers. Shord is the president of Vacation Rentals Professionals Aruba, also known as VRPA. Him and members of the association say there are many reasons why tourists choose vacation rentals, but more importantly, vacation rentals has the ability to propel the island even further when it comes to being a competitive tourist destination.
Vacation rental has a lot of advantages because it is a unique experience where you can stay privately with your family. You have accessibility to a kitchen, you have a backyard, you can use the barbecue, stuff you do at home. We even have a little game set up in the garden. So it's the private setting which makes it unique, and the space. You just have more space, and you can experience how it is to live really on an island for, let's say, a few days or a week.
So I think, vacation rentals is something that's growing all over the island. It's something that's growing all over the world. And it's something that, if we have the right vacation rentals on the island, we can attract people who it's not competing against other accommodations, but more competing against other islands that also have accommodations. Aruba needs a broad sense of opportunities for tourists to choose where they stay. And I think vacation rental fits the needs of many of the guests that are coming here. And we've seen this as it's grown little by little throughout the years.
Because the island is safe and accessible, Aruba is the ideal destination to offer tourists vacation rentals.
So basically you have four legs. There is hotels, there's timeshare, there's cruise tourism, and what they call alternative accommodations. It's not so alternative anymore because it's mainstream now. And over the last few years, the number of people traveling to a vacation rental grew enormously, especially in the United States. So it's a very popular thing, and Aruba is perfect for it because Aruba is safe. So people feel safe to stay in a home versus a hotel, and actually it's just a fantastic concept because all the beaches are public. So within the vacation rental market, Aruba is a top destination.
With this booming sector, the VRPA is here to help maintain standards and to advocate for compliance as well as regulation.
Well, we try to promote first compliance, the importance of having a good industry on the island, recommending people to do things as there should be a standard. It's important for not only to be a lot of homes, it's also important that Aruba has a standard and that the vacation rentals in Aruba comply with certain standards, comply with certain rules, with regulations, and it's very important to promote the industry as a whole.
Like Short and Alex said, vacation rentals have become a big player in the tourism sector. So it needs to be regulated, and renters of homes needs to be in compliance in order for the industry to thrive. This is a developing story. Stay tuned to Tell Aruba for more in the coming weeks. Para la noticia, Amita, Yentl Lieuw.